I'm sitting back in the back corner here, and I think it's almost dry enough to cut the grass. Chester's doing his part to help out here. Blue sky. Got the bird with the Swedish accent somewhere here. Just let Sam, the dog next door, bark in here. Oh, there he is. Shut up, Sam. Wish I could find that Swedish bird. Oh, she's a beauty. Oh, that was my finger. Maybe I should point the microphone away from the dog and towards the bird. I'm going to turn this upside down. Oh, favorite setup. iPhone. Chester, what are you doing there? Hey, you, Chester. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Too many things to sniff around here. I wish the neighbors would put Sam back in the house there. Is this upside down? Okay, we'll turn it around. I don't see a cloud in the sky, and I'm golfing tomorrow, and it's supposed to rain for the next 4 days after that. Just live right. See ya.